Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deanna Nicole, aka Don D Too Bad, and today I am bringing you the soft lock tutorial, and I am showing you all what I use. And pretty much I use the Bobbi Boss new locks in the 18-inch, and it's the 2 times, and I also use the Ultra Afro spring twist hair, and it's the 16-inch. And mind you, y'all, the new locks was an 18-inch, but if you're going to do this, I learned that it's best for you to get a 24-inch. So that way you don't have to stop and tie in between and keep wrapping. But I'm going to show y'all later on in this tutorial how I did it. And the products that I used for this tutorial, I had used the rat tail comb with the gap in the middle so I can get precise parting, a crochet needle so I can crochet the locks and the hair in the braid, and also I'll be using the Shine Jam, and this is my particular favorite one, or you could get the red kind. It just has that extra firm hold. So this is my client Mimi, aka my little sis, and pretty much I am showing you all how her hair looks before we begin to prep. As you can see, I am making the parts like medium, probably a medium part. It's best, the smaller the part, the better the lock will look. And I am just going to show you all in these next clips how I just go around her entire head, putting individuals so that I can begin to prepare for her soft locks. So once I'm finished doing her individuals, you will now see me install the Bobbi Boss new locks in the 18-inch. And I'm going to just take that crochet needle and go straight through her braid at the root. And then I'm going to pull it through. And then after I pull it through, I'm going to open that hole up on the new lock. And I'm going to take that braid and pull it through. And I am going to kind of tighten it, not too tight, but just enough to where it is secure on the individual braid. And I know that was kind of blurry, but I'm just going to show you on some more braids on how I do it so you can get a better view on how I crochet the new lock between the individual and then attach it to the individual braid that I did on her actual hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to show you all how I take the spring twist hair and wrap it around the new lock. And in a further clip, I'm going to show you all how I just install the spring twist hair within the lock. All you do is take that crochet and you, just like you did your new lock, put it at the base and pull that spring twist hair through. And you're going to see me wrap it. And I am so sorry that my arm is in the way. It's just like how this camera work, y'all. It's like it focuses on what it want to focus on when it wants to focus on it. But as you can see, I'm wrapping it at least a good 3 to 4 times at the base of the root. And that's just to make sure that the hole is secure and it looks nice and sleek, so you can't see the bulkiness or anything. And I'm just going to continue to wrap all the way down. Y'all, please excuse my camera because it is definitely going to clear up as I continue to go down the lock. So I'm sorry about that, y'all, but it's definitely going to clear up. So as you can see now, it cleared up this time. You see how I'm wrapping it? I'm just going to just take it and wrap it all the way around that lock, just to give it, because the lock is skinny itself, that new lock. So that spring twist hair is just to kind of make it a little bit more texturized, a little bit more bulkier, to go with the size of the parting that you put into your hair. That's why I said smaller parts are better, because it goes with the size of the lock, since they're so slim. So yeah, y'all, I'm just going to continue to wrap all the way down. And since, like I said, it's a 16-inch, I kind of had to tie it in the middle. And then I work my way down, again, with another piece of the spring twist hair, just so that I can complete the whole lock. I know I've seen in some videos that they only wrap it until it runs out. But me, I like to go all the way down the lock, so it can just have that full coverage, and it looks better to me. So yeah, in further clips, you're going to see a better view of what I did. This is just the basics on how to do it. But like I said, in these other clips, I'm definitely going to show you what I'm doing, and you're going to be able to see very, very clear. So yeah, y'all just continue watching, stay tuned, and I definitely want y'all to see the end results. It came out super fire, super bomb, and she loved her hair. And yeah, I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all soon, trendsetters. All right, pull it to the front. Yes, yes. Turn it around. Push it to the back. Yes, period. Hold on a little bit. Yes. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Who did your hair?
This deal here.
Hey, period. Come up a little bit so they can see your baby. Ooh. Yes, period. Back up. Yes. Cute. Soft locks on deck.